Good morning, all of you. My name is Deep Arora. I'm a soft skills trainer and an eminent motivational speaker with 15 plus years of experience. Today, welcome to Inspirant Technologies. Today, we just tell you about why should I select you. It's a common question for in the interview that how to reply this mostly asked question of the interview. Why should I select you? Objective of question. What is the objective of question? Each question has an objective in an interview. If you understand the objective of question, each question becomes an opportunity for you. Each aspirant must think the objective of a question before drafting his answer, as it eases the process and one comes up with to the point approach. Why should I select you? The objective is to see how confident you are about your candidature. The objective is to access your own valuation about yourself. Why should I select you? The way you reply this question shows your own analysis about yourself. We call it introspection. Why should I select you? A candidate should take this question as a point of counseling for his own objective to be here in the interview. Again, why should I select you? Although it is a challenging question, as you have to prove your own suitability for the organization and for the post, but one should take it as an opportunity to explain for your own branding that counsels the assessor for your recommendation. Now, what are the expressions while answering? Have natural expressions and welcome the question with a smile and reply confidently. Now, what all to include in answer? Skills and qualities, your strengths, sincerity, dedication, result orientation, long term vision. Now, model answer 1. Sir, I must be recommended in this interview as I have excellent communication skills which make me confident in dealing with clients. I do have strong exposure in my domain, which is a key point for this post. I have strong interpersonal skills which make me comfortable with the team. I do my work with sincerity to avoid any kind haphazardness. I have result orientation in my all assignments and eagerness for better performance. As per my thinking, this company is looking for such a candidate, so I must be selected. Now, model answer 2. Sir, as per my analysis, I fulfill the eligibility criteria mentioned in the advertisement. Additionally, I have rich experience of 5 years which adorn my candidature with variety of exposures for effective performance. To have a better role in this organization, I have ability to acclimatize and I am passionate for continual growth. I keep myself updated with the scenario and I love to work upon given feedback for the betterment of self and for my esteemed organization. Thank you. That's all about the topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.